What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. Today, I got a banger video for you guys, all right? Today, we're gonna finally be customizing Leticia. You see her back there, all right? We about to turn her into a true beast. We're gonna be giving her custom fenders, and I'm also gonna show you guys how to truly make this bike a miniature motorcycle, all right? You wanna stay tuned to the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button one time and hit that like button. It really helps out my channel. All right, guys, the first thing we're gonna do is take off the fenders, the rear rack. So let's get into it. Now that we got the fender off of the joint, you're gonna need some masking tape, all right? I chose to use some blue tape. I don't even know if this is considered masking, but we're using it, okay? You're gonna put tape on the fender because we're gonna get a Sharpie and we're gonna draw our design out, okay? You don't wanna do it on the actual paint, so that's why we're using the tape. Your boy is going for the Jesse James West Coast Choppers look, so let's go ahead and do it. But you can literally do whatever design you wanna do. First, we're gonna sketch it out. Boom. What do you think? What do you think, Jane?
Looks good.
Beautiful! Now that you got your design drawn out, you're gonna need a Dremel. I suggest a Dremel because if you try using a handsaw, it's gonna take forever and you're gonna jack it up, okay? Luckily, your boy already has a Dremel. Oh, shit. Come on, drop it on my hand. Okay. That didn't work out. Now that we have the broken Dremel ready to go, thanks to Jane, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting, guys. So let's get into it. Boom! Look at your boy. Tell me that ain't beautiful. I know it is. One thing that you have to keep in mind, these two holes, this is where that little wire goes that connects to the sides of the bike, right? If you cut past those holes, you're gonna have to drill 2 more holes up here. All right, so that's what we did, like that. Also, I ended up painting the little wire. I didn't want a chrome one, so I did it black. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with a black and white theme for this bike. I went ahead and did the exact same thing for the back. I didn't want to bore you guys with the same video. It's pretty much the same thing. You get the masking tape, you draw it on with the marker, and you cut it with the Dremel, all right? So this one's on. Let's go ahead and put the front one on now. Let's see how she looks. You want to be careful not to scratch the paint on the joint. Boom. Here's the light. I need the screw. Where's the screw, Jane?
You need to be prepared.
Where is it?
They're over there.
Why'd you move the screws, Jane? This is so hard. Why is this so hard? I need a screwdriver. There it is, guys. She is looking like a true beauty. Here's the front fender. Check her out. Look how sharp the joint is, okay? You better be careful around this beast. She might bite. Let's show them the dilemma that we had in the back. Come here, Jane. When we took off the rear rack, guys, I didn't realize that the tail light is attached to the actual rack, guys. So I had to figure out a way to mount the tail light on the bike, and here's what I did. Your boy got extra creative, okay? Pinterest style on him. So what your boy did was take the back of a T-Rex's albino toe. This is what we did. We made somewhat of a strap to go around the seat post, and this is how we're gonna mount the rear light. I had to drill some holes into the T-Rex's toe. Boom, boom, and boom. It's easy, easy. And I think it's gonna be super sick because it's gonna go with the black and the white look that we're trying to go for. Check it out, guys. I know you love it. Let's show them how beautiful it is, Jane. Show the people the custom rear light. Come on, guys. It doesn't get no better than that. Come on. It looks like it came straight from Lectric headquarters, guys. All the people that's taking off the rear rack, I want to know what you guys did with the rear light, because your boy just created a masterpiece. The next thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to take this to another level now. We got the motorcycle style custom fenders, guys. Now we're going to put the motorcycle style handlebars on the joint, and it's real simple, guys. All you're going to need is this piece of equipment right here. This is called a quill stem adapter. I chose to go with the older style look. It's all in one unit, but you guys can also buy a stem and then you can actually pick whatever headset you want to put on your bike. But I chose the all-in-one joint, make it simple, and your boy is broke as hell, so I mean, what can you do? So get down in here, Jane. They need to see it. They need to see it. This is so simple. You get an Allen key, you stick it in here, you turn it until it's super loose, and then you slide the baby out like that. And what you will notice, guys, look at this. It's the same piece. Boom. What size you're gonna wanna get is actually a 25. This one says 26. I think it's like 25 millimeters or something like that. 25.22. I'll leave it on the screen. This one came as a 22. But one trick that you could do, you literally just take this one off and put it on this one, and you got a 25. Easy. Okay, the quill stem is on. Now, all you gotta do, stick that puppy inside that hole. That's how she likes it. So as you tighten it, it gets locked in there. Now what you want to do is make sure that it's actually aligned with your bike. So like that. Once you get the quill stem on there, all you gotta do is take the handlebars that came with the bike and put them on the headset. One thing about these handlebars is that they're super thick. They're not the standard size handlebar. So if you actually are serious about doing this mod, you might want to replace the handlebars for like a standard size handlebar. I don't know what size it is, but I'll leave it on the screen. Since these handlebars are extra fat, I'm not gonna be able to close this top part. So what I'm gonna do, and this is super dangerous, do not do this. If you seriously wanna do this, get different handlebars. I'm gonna put the bolt in from the bottom just to hold the handlebar in. But this is not 100% safe, okay? We're just doing it for the video's sake.
Do not do this at home.
Please don't do this at home. But we're at home and we're doing this. Tell me this ain't a sexy beast, guys. Look at her in all her glory. Check out the fenders. Check out the handlebars. It's time to take this bad boy for a spin. Now, obviously, your boy is 6'4", all right? Any tall people trying to do this, I wouldn't advise it, okay? Your back is gonna be screaming at you, okay? Shout out to the sciatic nerve. But if you're a little person, or if your kids wanna ride the bike, I think this is perfect. Just look at it. This is for sure to be a head turner, guys, okay? You will get helly chicks on the joint. Everybody's walking around with a giraffe neck, but we took it low on them. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, you better hit that like button. If you're not a part of the channel, you gotta hit the subscribe button. I'm letting you guys know right now, you're gonna miss out. Your boy's doing crazy things with this bike on YouTube, guys. Nobody has ever seen it before. And that's the end of the video. Until the next one, deuces. Like that. Woo!
Look, money, my money, my money. Living a life and that for me. You cannot tell me you want me. I gotta get it 100. I gotta get it 100. 100 times over 1,000. Looking at me like I'm crowded.